In the previous lecture on books and authors, we have discussed more than 100 important books of recent times, going all the way back to 2016 and sometimes before. Those books were selective, and that lecture is crucial for aspirants of OMC exam. I highly recommend, if you have not, do watch that lecture in the entirety, the link to which will be provided in the description of this video. In this lecture, we will cover some of the important classic books and their authors, and some important ones from the last few months' current affairs. Now please remember that these classic books are the ones you must be familiar with. In that case, it will serve you as a revision. And in case you do not know any of these books and their authors, do keep in mind that these books are known to most of the aspirants. So if you are losing a mark on these books, that mark may work detrimentally in your results. I should also mention here that for aspirants of OMC exam, a very good news from our academy is on the way. You will know more about it very soon. With that, my name is Swaroop and welcome to the lecture. The first book is The Sellout. It's a novel by Paul Beatty. It was published in 2015. Paul Beatty is a Booker Prize winning author. This is a classic, The Wealth of Nations. The reason I'm covering some of the classics here is OSSC and SSC sometimes ask questions from the classic books. So it's important that you know that, and we strongly think that OMC might follow the same path. So as I was saying, The Wealth of the Nations, it's a book on economics, originally published in 1776, and it was written by Scottish economist Adam Smith. War and Peace, we all know, is a novel by Leo Tolstoy. Here I want to mention another book, Origin of Species. I think you already know this. It was written by Charles Darwin. Freedom in Exile. This is the second autobiography of 14th Dalai Lama. 14th Dalai Lama is the present Dalai Lama. So you shouldn't be confused about that. The Gods of Antarctica. This is a new book and it is written by young author Yashvardhan Shukla. It was published in 2014 when Yashvardhan Shukla was only 13 years old and he is from Delhi. The Algebra of Infinite Justice. This is another important book by Arundhati Roy. This is actually a collection of her political essays and it was originally published in 2001. Other important books by Arundhati Roy I have mentioned in the previous lecture. The next book that we are going to take a look at is Freedom from Fear. This was written by Aung San Suu Kyi. This book was originally published in 1991 and this is a collection of her essays. Now for those of you who do not know who Aung San Suu Kyi is, please Google her. You can find out. I am sure you have seen her in the news. My Journey, Transforming Dreams into Actions. This book is by Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. I have also mentioned some other important books by Dr. Kalam previously. Guiding Souls, Dialogues on the Purpose of Life. The Hindi translation of the book is titled Hamare Path Pradarshak. This is co-authored by Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam and Arun Tiwari. Former Secretary, Ministry of Human Resources, Anil Swarup, writes about this book and I quote, all the books written by late APJ Abdul Kalam are inspiring. However, this is the best among those that I have read so far. This book provides insights into various aspects of human existence as well as those that inspired Abdul Kalam during his formative years. End quote. A View from Outside. This was written by P. Chidambaram. A Life in Diplomacy. This is an autobiography by M. Rasgotra. He is a former Indian diplomat who held the position of Foreign Secretary. The Race of My Life is by Milkha Singh. Malgudi Days, I think we all know, is written by late R.K. Narayan. Indian Philosophy. This book is written by Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. Eternal India. This is a book by Indira Gandhi. V.S. Naipaul. His books are very often asked in the competitive exams. I have mentioned some of the important works of Naipaul previously. In addition to those, you need to remember A Bend in the River and An Era of Darkness. Both of these have been written by V.S. Naipaul. Gulamgiri. This was written by Jyotirao Mahatma Phule. He is considered to be the guru of Dr. Ambedkar, who was from Maharashtra. This book was originally written in Marathi and it was later translated into English. My Indian Years, 1910 to 1916. It was written by Lord Hardinge II. Neel Darpan. This play was written by Dinabandhu Mitra. The Discovery of India. This is a very famous book written by Jawaharlal Nehru. Unhappy India. This book was written by Lala Lajpat Rai. Poverty and un-British rule in India. I think you must have heard of this book in your history. It was written by Dadabhai Naoroji. The Indian Struggle. Another famous book by Subhash Chandra Bose. Satyartha Prakash. You must have come across this book. It is by Dayananda Saraswati. Ananda Matha. It was written by Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. The Indian War of Independence. It was written by Binayak Damodar Savarkar. Mudra Rakshasa. This is a very old Sanskrit play written by Visakha Datta. It's believed to be written somewhere between 4th century to 8th century AD. Sometimes you will come across this CE. This AD and CE both mean the same thing, Anno Domini, that or common era. Mruchakatika, translated into English, the little clay cart. This is also a very old literature dating back to 5th century CE. We all know Kalidas. He has written Raghuvansam, Kumara Sambhavam, Meghadutam, Abhigyana Sakuntalam and many more, but these are the most important ones that you shouldn't be making a mistake on. Arthashastra. It was written by Chanakya. He is also known as Kautilya. Gita Govinda. This is different from the film Gita Govinda. So the original Gita Govinda was written by Jayadeva. Padmavati. It's a poem by Malik Muhammad Jaisi. We all know Gitanjali was authored by Rabindranath Tagore. Another one of his famous works is Chitrangada. Kuldeep Nair is a famous author. Some of his important works from exam perspective are The Judgment Inside Story of Emergency in India, India, the Critical Years, and Beyond the Lines, an autobiography. Train to Pakistan. This novel is written by Kushwant Singh. My Experiments with the Truth. This book was obviously by Mahatma Gandhi. Now this is a recent book, A Bend in Time. This book is a collection of 12 stories and essays by children from across the country. The introduction to this book, A Bend in Time, is written by award-winning children's author Bijal Bakrajani. She is an award-winning children's author. She has written the introduction to this book. India's Wars, 1972 to 2020. This is written by Arjun Subramaniam. One Arranged Murder. It was written by Chetan Bhagat. It's a very new book, and works of Chetan Bhagat is very commonly asked in competitive examinations, so please be mindful of that. Connecting, Communicating and Changing. This book is regarding the year spent by the Vice President M. Venkaiah Naidu in office. Another important point about this book is Union Minister Rajnath Singh has released this book. Our Only Home, a climate appeal to the world. This is written by Dalai Lama, the 14th or the present Dalai Lama, and Franz Alt. Franz Alt is a German environmental journalist. Since this is concerning the climate change, it might be a very important book for the OMC examination. Raw, a history of India's covert operations. This is written by Yatish Yadav. Amazing Ayodhya. This book is written by Neena Rai. The India Way, Strategies for an Uncertain World. This book is written by Subramaniam Jaishankar. Quest for Restoring Financial Stability in India. This is written by Viral Acharya. If you know who Viral Acharya is, please write it down in the comments. A Song of India. It's written by Ruskin Bund. Ruskin Bund, who is a Padma Bhushan Award winner, is best known for his contribution to the growth of children's literature in India. This book, Future of Higher Education, 9 Mega Trends. This is authored by C.A.V. Pattabhiram, and Honorable Vice President Sri Venkaiah Naidu virtually released this book. The book is titled Future of Higher Education, 9 Mega Trends. Overdraft, Saving the Indian Saver. It's written by Urjit Patel. The End Game. It's written by S. Hussain Jaidi. Jaidi is considered to be one of the most prolific crime writers of India. Some of his cinematic works include Phantom and Shootout at Wadala. If It Bleeds. It's authored by American award-winning author Stephen King, who is best known for his works in horror, supernatural fiction, suspense, crime, and other similar genres. Grandparents' Bag of Stories. This is written by Sudha Murthy, who is the wife of Narayan Murthy and is an award-winning author. Green Lights. This book is written by Matthew McConaughey. He is an American Academy Award-winning actor and producer. With that, we have come to the end of this lecture. You can download a PDF note of this lecture from the Telegram group of Sriram Academy that will be linked in the description. As always, I wish you all the best and I will see you in the next lecture.